Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add flight ticket to Apple Wallet. Now for example, let me show you some different expired ones. So click here to see the expired ones. So you have a record as well. Let's do this one for example. You can see they even have all your details and you have a QR code that you can go ahead and scan at the terminals as well. Right, so if we come back here, you go to the top right, click on this plus icon on your Apple Wallet, and then where it says add to wallet, usually you won't find any option. So what you need to do is open up that email you have for your flight ticket, and you'll see here at the top an option that says add to Apple Wallet. I want you to tap on that one and then tap here on add at the top right, and it will actually be added to your Apple Wallet, complete with the QR code and everything. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.